Your dream garden has finally arrived, unlocking affordable abundance without the hassle. Our proprietary Quick Connect buckets make harvesting and routine cleaning absolutely effortless. Say goodbye to bottle brushes and costly replacement pods. Toss your buckets confidently in the dishwasher. With our 360-degree carousel, you can fit 20 or 40 plants in a cramped apartment corner, or unlock 600% more yield in your greenhouse. Hardware is only half of your dream garden. Manage a single system or an entire fleet in any browser. Search, filter, and pin systems for seamless management on any device. Or skip the dashboard entirely and scan the QR code on your system to instantly pull it up. Your digital garden journal makes tracking a breeze. Log your pH and EC to generate beautiful, long-term graphs, giving you total data-driven visibility over your crop's performance to drive bigger yields. Add new buckets in seconds, log your plant type, track sow date, and media details to build your data and reporting history. This history is vital context made available to Smithy AI, your personal plant coach. You can even track advanced metrics in your garden journal, like weight and moisture for each growing bucket. Boost harvests with the scientific method at every level of growing, from a classroom to a commercial farm. Hardware automation? We got it handled. Our guided wizard connects our integrated AI-enabled smart plugs in seconds, fully automating your lighting, irrigation, and any other powered devices you can imagine. Your ultimate unfair advantage? Smithy AI, your personal 24/7 plant coach. Whether you need a garden blueprint, instant diagnosis, or a custom irrigation and lighting schedule written directly to your hardware, Smithy has you covered. Who is ready to build a better future? We aren't just selling a garden. We are inventing a better way of life and creating your personal Eden today.